The Magic Flute is the most fantastic opera. It's got everything you could ask for. After all, what other opera begins with a handsome prince being attacked by a giant serpent and then rescued by 3 magical ladies? This opera has the rage aria to end all rage arias.
She's a fantastic character to play. I mean, who doesn't want to play a baddie?
She has this incredible outpouring with this amazingly virtuosic vocal line. And it has a top F, and most people will be thinking top F. That's quite singable. But this is a full octave above that, so it's this stratospherically high coloratura, this coloured music, literally.
I pretty much sing the arias every day for at least a month, maybe 2 months before I perform it, and usually in between performances as well, just to make sure that it keeps the muscles going. It's like an athlete, really. You need to make sure you keep fit and make sure it's always in your voice.
It's the opposite of Wagner, this kind of long drawn-out scheme. What you have in this opera is these little kind of nuggets of melodic perfection, which are then interspersed with this comic dialogue where we kind of race through the story.
The Magic Flute, one of the most treasured of all operas, created for a popular theatre in the suburbs of Vienna, where basically normal people went, not the posh, swanky court opera.
But what's quite strikingly modern, really, for the time that this opera was produced, is that it's all about equality of the sexes. So you have Pamina and Tamino, who together have to kind of lead the way to a new age.
And the old powers that have been fighting with them and struggling, the Queen of the Night, this demonic, hysterical lady, Sarastro, this slightly questionable priest figure, they're finished, they're irrelevant. And the Enlightenment future belongs to 2 rational beings who are going to control the future.